Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about data origin authentication. Data origin authentication means that both devices will authenticate to each other before data exchange using pre-shared key or certificate. We can understand with diagram R1 and R2. Before any data exchange, what they will do, R1 will authenticate to R2, R2 will authenticate to R1, and for this authentication what we can define, for example R1 is connected with ISP is connected with R2, its IP address 101.1.1.100, 102.1.1.100. First type is the gateway. On R1 we will define your peer is 102.1.1.100. When you want to establish VPN connection, then you will use pre-shared key Shiva. Same here, we will define to R2. If you want to establish communication with this peer, then use the key Shiva. Okay. Now, when this R1 will send request to R2 for data origin authentication, then it will send okay. What it will say? It will say I am 101.1.1.100 and yes, secret key is Shiva. This message will be sent to R1 to R2. R2 will check, okay, who is saying? Yes, my peer is saying. And what is the password? Yes, matching, done. Same reverse, R2 will send to R1. It will say I am 102.1.1.100 and my key is Shiva. When this information will go to R1, R1 will check, okay, who is coming? 102.1.1.100, 102.1.1.100, and what is the key? Shiva. Yes, it means peer is authenticated. Again, I am repeating. In this video, we are discussing about data origin authentication. Data origin authentication means both devices will authenticate to each other before data exchange using pre-shared key. We can use here predefined pre-shared key, or you can also use certificates. Here you can also use certificates. Here you can obtain certificate from certificate authority. So you can use to authenticate peer, you can use pre-shared key which we have defined here, then you can also use certificates.